What's up YouTube, it's your boy, and today you are watching another episode of Fresh Out of the Box. Now on today's episode we are unboxing the Nike Air Jordans ones, and they are the Shattered Backboard editions. Now the rumour has it that the reason these are called the Shattered Backboards is because Michael Jordan, who is a famous basketball player, was fucking his wife so hard that when he was smashing that pussy, he nearly broke the bed backboards, these things here. And that is exactly why the shoes have been called the Shattered Backboards, because Michael Jordan does not mess around when he's giving girls the duh. So without further ado, let's now crack on with the unboxing. So, carrying on with the unboxing. Sorry that the lighting has changed. Man has just been for a pump at the gym, hence why I'm in a towel and showing a little bit of sexy knee. Get out of here, you bloody dingoes! Anyway, so I said there was a stop to any silliness now. So, cracking on with the unboxing. We have the AJ1's Shattered Backboards 3.0, and these are in USA 10.5, UK 9.5. Now I actually got these from Niketown, so there was a sort of secret raffle that was going on. No, well, it wasn't a secret actually, it was published online. But the point of the anecdote I'm trying to make is that you only had 3 hours to go, and it was sort of, I got like a notification when there was like 2 hours left through my boy The Plug, who I live with, is my flatmate Adam. And he basically said, get your ass down to Niketown. They've got like a raffle, it's only valid for 3 hours. And because I work right next to there, I of course could just pop in. But anyway, first impressions of the Shattered Backboards 3.0s. So, these shoes are interesting. Fuck me, dropping them and shit. Yeah, they are interesting trainers. I quite actually like the look of them, I'm surprised to say. It might just be because it's the time of year, but they've got this sort of rough, materialised sort of leather look on the outside that's shiny, and it's also already creased, so when you're walking around creasing it, it won't really matter because they've already been creased to shit. Comes with a shoehorn in there, just as an FYI. But yeah, they're sort of the Halloween colourway, if anything, so obviously it's a good time of year to release this in October. I think Nike are very cotton on to the fact that they know what they're doing. They've been in the business for quite a while now. But yeah, you've got this nice sort of coloured gum on the bottom. Orange and black blends in really nicely. And compared to the other two Jordans I've unboxed, the Obsidians and the Black Toes, which are the red ones, yeah, these are actually way nicer. I actually much prefer these, just because, as I said, I like a themed shoe, and this seems, obviously apart from the theme of Jordan bonking his wife, it bloody dingoes, of course, the Halloween theme. But yeah, they're really clean. They're a nice pair of J's. They're not actually reselling for too much at the moment. These are in 9.5, and I've actually got 2 pairs of these. So I got a pair in a size 13 that I won on the Nike app, and then I also got these, which are the 9.5. And yeah, these are reselling for maybe get £240, so maybe £100. Actually no, because once you take off eBay fees and maybe make like £70 on these, and then the other ones that I got, the size 13s, I'm probably gonna make like £25. But money is money still. Let's see what else you get in here, because I do know that they come with some laces and stuff, so that's cool, that's cool. So you get 2 types of laces in there. You get the black laces, which are the standard, and you also get this additional sort of orange lace that comes with it. So yeah, they're nice, they are nice shoes. If you're into J's, you could probably pick these up for a decent enough price. Yeah, there's only one thing that I would really say with these, and that is that I just unboxed obviously all 3 of the Basement trainers and their collab. And for me, the quality of those and the cleanliness of those and the unique features on the shoes outweigh these shoes by 100 to 1. Even though these are J's, whatever, these are more limited, who fucking cares? The Basement ones I thought were actually way cooler. So if you're looking for actually a great trainer at a decent price, I would definitely go for the basement ones. Yeah guys, apart from that, I might, nah, I ain't gonna do an on-feet of these just because I can't be bothered to lace them and then unlace them again, only to resell it. Sorry guys. But yeah, thanks again for watching if you managed to make it this far through all the bullshit and the historical lessons. And I will be back with more videos whenever I can be bothered. You've been watching another fantastic episode of Fresh Out of Lead Box. I'll see you next time. Peace.